This home started as a blank slate, outdated, tired, and far from its full potential. LPS Direct stepped in to completely reimagine the space, handling the entire transformation from the ground up. Not just one phase of the project, and not just part of the home, but everything. Where most remodels rely on multiple contractors, handoffs, and guesswork, LPS Direct operates differently. Design, construction, and furnishing are all handled under one roof. One team, one plan, one clear vision from start to finish. Every decision is made with the full home in mind: structure, layout, flow, materials, and details. So nothing feels disconnected or pieced together. The process stays efficient, organized, and intentional at every stage. As the transformation takes shape, the home evolves into something entirely new. Spaces open up, materials work together. Every element serves a purpose, both visually and functionally. This is more than a renovation. It's a full home rebuild designed to feel cohesive, comfortable, and timeless. From major structural changes to the smallest details, everything is planned, built, and finished with care. That's the difference when one experienced team manages the entire process. LPS Direct. Design, build, furnish.